Have questions about how to add some healthy habits and improve reading skills? We've got some suggestions. Here are some ideas that could improve reading and writing skills and build confidence in learning. Choose 2 or 3 to add to your routine. Read daily. Visit the library frequently. Maintain a consistent study time free of distractions and media. Attend theater performances. Join a book club. Write out a menu for the evening or week. Look for letters and words on food containers or signs during the daily commute. Turn it into a game. Write a shopping list and mark it off as you find items in the store. Keep a journal. Have suggestions that have worked for you? Leave them in the comments.